Do you know many people are having trouble with ensuring their Dymo labels are readable? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. First, make sure the label maker has enough power. Use fresh batteries or plug in an adapter to prevent poor print quality. Step 2. Install cassette. Next, verify that the label cassette is properly installed. Remove and reinsert the cassette, ensuring it is seated correctly for optimal printing. Step 3. Clean print head. Clean the print head with the provided tool. Carefully wipe it to remove debris or ink residue, which might obstruct clear printing. Step 4. Replace cassette. Consider replacing the label cassette if print quality issues persist. A fresh cassette can deliver clearer and more vibrant text. Step 5. Adjust font. Adjust the font size and style on your label maker. Choose a more readable font for improved text visibility. With these steps, you should now have clear and readable labels every time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dymo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.